Introducing the latest innovation from Generix, mechanically fixed brick tiles, Genbrix. A new brick cladding system that combines the natural beauty of a clay brick finish with mechanically fixed fast-track aluminium rail installation. Extruded clay brick tiles are specifically manufactured to fix mechanically to an extruded aluminium 3-course backing section. These profiled interlocking lengths are mounted in horizontal rows onto the Generix Light vertical aluminium support system. The brick tiles are then clicked in place prior to the mortar being applied. Quick and easy to install, Genbrix not only reduces installation time dramatically, but is also ideal for tight access sites where storage and access are a concern. Like all our products, Genbrix is certified A1 non-combustible. To ensure further quality, we have had Genbrix CWCT tested for air leakage, dynamic pressure, water penetration, and impact. With an extensive range of colours and textures available, Genbrix is a versatile product which can be mounted to a face, at an angle, or as a soffit, giving a dynamic finish.